Let's see in detail the signal generator module. We connect the channel A of the oscilloscope to the output of the signal generator. We can already see on the software the wave generated by the signal generator. On the oscilloscope software, it is possible to open another panel with the settings for the signal generator. On this panel we can change the shape of the generated wave. Now it is a triangle wave. We can change it to sine wave, or we can change it to a square wave. On this panel we can change also the frequency. Now it's 1 kHz. Let's change it to 10 kHz. Here is our wave with 10 kHz frequency. We can also come back to the oscilloscope control panel to adjust the time division. Now we have a 10 kHz frequency and the amplitude, let's check, it's about 1.2 volts. We can change this amplitude with the first knob on the device. The amplitude can go from 0 to 4 volts. The second knob allows us to change the DC component of the wave. So with this second knob we can shift the wave up and down. For the generated frequency we can change it on the software interface. So we can change the amplitude with the first knob and the offset with the second knob. So this signal generator module is connected and controlled by the oscilloscope original software.